to Kaitlyn's World Live!
You want the purple or the green?
Should I pick a blue boat? Follow me to kayaking today. The water is very cool. Jumping up and down in muddy puddles. Splash, 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 splash. This is the 3 islands. We are going to challenge on Sai Kung. Let's go paddle to the first beach.
Hello, Kaitlyn.
Let's go to the second island.
Oh, it's a big wave. Big wave coming. Enjoy your big wave.
Daddy, let's go to the third island. Daddy, I want to paddle too.
Okay, take Rachel's paddle.
Yeah. One, two, one, two, one, two, one, two. The paddle is heavy. Mommy, come faster. Let's follow us. So heavy, so heavy. Mommy, follow us. Hurry. We kayaking to this private beach. Look, I have 1 seashell, 2 seashell, that's a little broken. 3 seashell, 4 seashell, 5 seashell. So we have a lot of seashells, and this one, I can put in some of my favorite pearls. Look, this is my favorite one. Very seashell. It's really cool because you can actually be your favorite pet. Hey guys, look at this precious seashell. Let's put it in. That's a little broken. No.
There's a lot of seashells here.
Yeah, I know.
This is our private beach.
This is my favorite pirate beach. It's so much precious. I know Ariel always come up to here. This is Ariel's favorite pirate beach. Let me buckle on my life jacket.
Let me see your face.
Dad!
Let's go. Let's go snorkeling. It's a big wave coming. Ooh. Oh.
Let's go swimming at my swimming at the reef.
Private.
Let's go snorkeling. Okay, I should open right now. Ooh, I don't think I want to touch the stone. I think I should go out there. Bye-bye. Hey, you're fast.
Anything? Can you see anything?
Can you get anything? No. Leave. Leave. Leave.
You want to see what I found?
Let's go, let's go, let's go see.
I can't.
Swim to me, I'll show you what I found.
Is that seashell?
I found a very pretty seashell.
What is it?
Do you want to give me your hand? Don't drop it. If you drop it, then I can't find it anymore. Are you ready?
Yes. That's amazing.
Hey!
Can I put it in my collection?
Okay.
If you want to snorkel, remember to bring your goggles. Where's the big wave?
Where's the big wave?
Where's the big wave? Oh my goodness.
And then it will cover me up, and then we cover everyone up.
Yes,
They're coming!
They're coming. Big waves are coming.
I hope it's not too big.
I thought you enjoyed big waves.
Oh, be careful!
No, but I don't like the big wave under me.
You don't like the big waves?
And it doesn't want me. I go up and up and up. It doesn't cover me.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Oh,
Unless if I don't really have something, unless if I don't have some floating. This is the best thing in my whole life. Where is the mermaid? Where is the mermaid? Where is the mermaid? Tell me, or else I splash you.
I don't know. Don't splash,
I will splash you
No.
if you don't know.
please.
I will splash you if you don't know. I will splash you if you don't know.
One.
I will splash you if you don't know. Guys, I'm going to splash you because you don't know. Yeah. You're going to get a little touch on the water. Bye, guys. It's so hard to swim. But remember, lose us, guys. And he's a big brother. Bye-bye. Look. Okay, bye-bye.